Hello everyone and welcome to CapCut for social media video editing. Today is our fourth lesson and our lesson topic is basic tools in CapCut. So in this class you'll be learning how to use the basic tools and how to work with these tools. So now let's go over to the CapCut and see how we're going to work today. After coming over to the CapCut, you will have this type of interface where you have to go over here to new project, click over here, and it will just take some time and it will just open our particular design panel where you can just design or edit your particular video. So now let's import our particular file. Let's click on import and let's use this particular video. I just download it from Pixabay. You can just download any videos from Pixabay. This is copyright free. Now let's open this one and it will take some time and then your particular video is imported. Now you can see your particular video is here. Also one thing you can do here in detail option, here you can see the modify button is there. If you click over to modify, you can just rearrange your particular project settings, such as you can just increase or decrease the resolution, frame rate I want to keep as 60, ratio I want to keep as original, or I can just change it. And then here also you can change the colors and all. You can change the name as project 1 or edit 1. Then here also you can see more settings are there. I'll not go there. Now let's save. You can keep it as a copy of the project or keep it in original place. So let's try to make copy a project. Now it's changing the settings. Now whenever I am clicking on our particular imported file, you can see here the preview. Our particular preview is here. But on our timeline, you cannot see our particular video. So for bringing our particular video in our timeline, we have to click on our left of the mouse and we have to drag this and we have to drag it here. Now you can see our particular video is here. It's taking some time to load, and then afterwards you can see your particular video is in the timeline. Now let's select this one, and today we are going to work with this particular tools. Here you can see our particular tools are there. This is the basic tools. You can just use this one for your work. So the first one is switch to select mode or split mode. So if you click over here, you can see the select option is there, split option is there, select leftward, select rightward. I'll be showing you this one in this video, but in later part. Then here you can see the undo button. If you do undo, it will just vanish. It will go to the previous state. If you click on this one, redo button, then it will bring back the video once again. So I'll click over here. Now over here, you can just see the split is here, the split button or the split tool. Then the next one is delete left. I'll just show you this one. Then the next one is delete right. The right part of your particular timeline will be deleted. Then this is the delete option. You can just delete the particular video. Suppose I want to delete this one. Let's click over this and it got deleted. So I'll just undo this one. And the next one is add marker. You can just add different marker. Then freeze. You can just freeze your particular frame. I'll be showing this on also in this video. Then here you can see the reverse option. You can just reverse your particular video. Then the next one is mirror. You can just create a mirror of your particular video. Next one is rotate. If you want to rotate your particular video while editing, you can just rotate from here. And this is the crop option. Here you can see the record option. You can just put your particular voice over here and it will just record anything. Here you can see the turn off main track here. turn off auto snapping, then turn off leakage. Here is turn on preview access. This is the zoom to fit, timeline zoom out, and here you can just zoom your particular video in your timeline and you can see the frame by frame. Now let's go over to our particular video and let's try to play this one. Before starting, I want to show you one thing. Here you can see the option called lock track. If you want to lock this one, you can lock this. If you want to hide, you can just click over here and your particular track will be hidden. And here is the mute option. You can just mute your particular video. So I want to mute. Now let's start playing from first. Let's play. Let's go over here and click on play and it's now playing. You can see the frame by frame it's going, and then you can just use this. Now let's select a particular frame. I want to split, so I'll be clicking on this, and now you can see our particular video has been splitted. Now if you want to split another part, let's play and pause it here. You can split over here. Now you can see our particular, this part is splitted. Now we are having 3 parts in our particular timeline. So you can just do anything with this one. Suppose I want to delete this one. I'll be clicking on this and now it's deleted. Now I'll go back. I'll do undo. And here you can see our particular timeline is having 3 parts again. Now delete the right. So this is our particular timeline bar where you can just have left and right. This side is left and this side is right. So suppose I selected this. Now I want to delete the left. Let's click over here. Suppose you select like this and then click delete. It will just delete the right part of your particular video. Suppose you want to delete the left part, I'll just drag it over here and this particular portion won't be here. So let's click on this and now you can see it's deleted. I'll just undo this and our particular full video is once again with us. Now I want to mention that while cutting, always remember that you have to see where you have to cut. Simply you cannot cut. You have to see the frame. For that one, you can just zoom and then you have to see where you have to cut. Like frame by frame, where is the actual mistake or something is going on. Now let's select our particular video and let's go over here and let's make a split. Now I want to freeze this particular frame. So let's click on this particular frame, freeze this one. Now you can see it's now freezed. Now let's play this one once again. You can see our particular frame is freezed. Now again it's playing. I'll just pause it. Let's undo this one. And now let's select once again our particular video. Let's go over here. This is the freeze one. Next one is the reverse. So I want to reverse this. For this one, I'll decrease the size of the timeline. Click on reverse. It will take some time to reverse, and afterwards you can see the result. It's now reversed. Now let's go and place it over here. And let's try to play this one. You can see it's going reverse. Like this, you can create the reverse one. Let's undo this one. And let's play once again. Now you can see it's in normal. Now let's go to the next one, mirror. I want to do the mirror. I'll click over here. Now it flipped and it's giving a mirror effect. Now the person is in the left and she is coming forward. Again, I'll do undo. Now let's go over here and rotate this. If I want to rotate, I can click over here and it will just rotate. So you can see our particular video is rotating. The next one is resize. Resize, you can just crop your particular video. Suppose I want this particular woman on my video. I don't want the background. So I'll just drag like this. And then I'll just press confirm and the particular woman is in my particular frame. Now let's play. You can see the woman is there only. The background is not there, whichever background I cut. So like this, you can just resize this. Also, you can do one thing. You can go over here. You can see the free option. Here you are having the ratio. This is 1:1, 3:4, 9:16, 16:9. Anything you can just do and then confirm and your particular video is ready. Now suppose I want to export this one. Let's go over here to export. Click over there and here the option which resolution I want to export. I can export to 4K. Then for the bitrate, you can just select from here. You can just select higher or you can select lower, recommended. Then here also you can just select this one. Then format, which format you want, MP4 or MOV, frame rate, then export audio, and then you can click over to the export and you will get your particular video. Here you can see it's showing the estimated size of your particular video after the exporting. Now I want to mention another thing, that you can just add audio like this, going over here and then selecting a particular audio or downloading, or you can just import your particular audio. I'll put it over here and you can see our audio is over here. Now you can just put your audio and then put and then done. Now let's try to export. I'll be exporting in 180 and then I'll click on export. It will take some time to export. After exporting, you can just put your particular video anywhere, like in TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you want. I hope you all understand about this class. If you are having any doubt, you can just ask us. We'll be able to help you. Till then, take care. Goodbye.